Hey guys and gals, welcome back. I'm Super Chef Eric, and if this is your first time tuning in, I greatly appreciate it. And for all my returning viewers, you guys are awesome. So today we're going to make a gluten-free vegan cheese sauce. Super easy, super tasty, and we're going to get going right after this intro. Bang! Alrighty, girls and guys, thanks for tuning back in and hanging out through the intro. Right now, I'm going to go over what I've got in here. So far, really simple. I've got 2 cups of russet potatoes, diced, and I've got 1 cup of carrots, diced or sliced. And what we're going to be doing is I've cooked them on medium-high for around 25 minutes just to get them fork tender. And what fork tender means is when you push down on the potato, it should go right through it. Shouldn't feel any crunch or any big resistance. So now I'm gonna drain this. I'm gonna save about 1/3 of a cup to half a cup of the water to use for liquid. So I'll be right back after I get this drained. Okay, so I've got them drained. I reserved a little bit of the water. Trying to get the right angle here. Sorry guys. There we go. So, gonna start off with 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice a little bit later. Gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're just gonna add just a splash of the liquid that I reserved. Now normally I would be using my blender, but my blender decided to die on me today. So, you know, is what it is. Now the reason I boiled them until they were fork tender is you definitely didn't want the potatoes or the carrots to be chunky in this. You want to get them nice and sweet. So let me add a little more water. And then the secret ingredient's going to be coming up. Okay, so I'm going to grab some more water. I'll be back in just 1 second. Okay guys, I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup more water. Because right there it just kind of looked like mashed potatoes. Like a really smooth mashed potato. And that's not what we want. It's almost the consistency we want. Let me show you the consistency we're going for. See, we just want it just a little bit thinner. So, a little more. Now what's great about this is you can use it for mac and cheese, you can use it for nachos like I'm going to be doing tonight. Okay, now that we've got the consistency we want, Here's the secret ingredient. This is what's going to make it taste like cheese. Now these are nutritional yeast flakes. Now where you can find these in the grocery store, like Sprouts, they have them in the bulk department. Same with Whole Foods, but at like Kroger or someplace like that, you're going to find it right by where you get your raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Normally it's going to be around the barbecue sauces and whatnot. And if you're not sure, just ask. They carry it at Kroger, they carry it at Walmart. Sure, they carry it at Safeway. But this is going to be the magic stuff that gives it that kind of umami, that cheese flavor. And this is a half a cup. So that's why I wanted it a little bit thinner. So now I'm going to add this in. Alright, that looks like it's about done. Oh yeah. And for the test. Okay, now the final ingredient. You want to add this at the end because it can thicken it a little bit. 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now that looks like ballpark nacho cheese to me. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's got that nice tanginess of what would be a cheddar in there. Now if you want, you can go to taste on salt, and if you want to use pepper you can. I don't like to because it looks like fly poop in there, you know, just me. But you can salt to taste. You can even add a little more lemon juice if you like. So be right back with the taste. Oh guys, guess what? I almost forgot to add the most important ingredient. Half a cup of Pueblo green chilies. Yeah, it's green chili season right now down in Colorado. And I like my spicy food. And this time of year, we've got people around town on different corners and parking lots roasting chilies, and man, it's just an amazing smell. So, a little teaser also, I am going to be doing a green chili vegan gluten-free recipe for you guys next. Alright, let's go to the taste test. Alright guys, now for the most important part, the taste test. Or quality check, whatever. And to me, it's just not nachos without guacamole. So, little cheese, little guacamole. Nice and savory. Man, that nutritional yeast does the trick. It's also got a lot of nutritional benefits. You can check those out on Google or anything like that. If you like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you think about it. And if you didn't like it, just give me a thumbs down and let me know why, so I can improve on my content. Well, it's been great having you with me. Guys, remember, life's too short to eat bad food. Oh.